Sup guys, here I'm gonna introduce our Meite MT7116 staplers. It's our hot-selling pneumatic staplers, and it uses the 71 series staples, and it has a lightweight and good balance, very easy to work with it, and it also has a silencers. It allows you to work with less noise, and you can see here it has a very special backup. You can use it like a hammer to work with the staples. It's very convenient for you guys. Now we got a brand new box. Even with the whole box, I can feel it. It's very light. And we can see the Meite logo here and the model number here, Meite 7116 stapler. And here we got a CE marks here also. Now let's open it. Now we see the whole guns, but except for it, let's see what else we have here. There are some tools, and an exploded wheel, spare part list. It's an instruction. Okay. Now let's see the whole gun here. We also have a bottle of oil. Very nice surface. Very smooth. Very light. Also the backup, use like a hammer, it's very convenient. And the depth is totally the same here, and you can hear again. It's not that noisy, right?
Since 1996, Meite has grown from a humble start to a trusted global leader in pneumatic tools. Across industries and continents, our tools empower professionals to create, build, and innovate. Meite, powering industries worldwide.